Delhi airport.
Cafe latte. Both sari latte.
And heading towards, where are we heading?
Kuala Lumpur.
Oh my god.
Guys, we stopped towards this place called Malaysia, and it's a beautiful place. We stopped there for an hour or so, and then we headed towards Bali. So I just love the place and love the people.
At the hotel, and we are searching for food. No food. So right now we are searching for taxi services, and then we're gonna have food. So guys, this is the best part of Bali, enjoying the nightlife on a horse ride. And the amazing part was that I wasn't able to sit at the back seat because of the low, you can say it's inclined, and the place was so less, but we had fun.
So I was simply pacing around, but this kind of bird is so heavy, I tell you guys. So it was amazing.
Because she loves to fly.
So guys, this is the place called ULUWATU, and it is so serene, I tell you. Lots of greenery around, and we just came here to see some kind of temple, I guess, but we just stopped and had fun.
Yay! Having coconut coffee, and we have a lot of flavors here. 6 ginger. Taste amazing.
So guys, this is the most deadening adventure I've ever had. This is the chocolate factory. Oh my god, I just wished I stayed there forever.
So this one is pod cinnamon, and we have another set of chocolates. This is the called Bali. This is the other set. Let's see. Yeah, taste this one. So everybody, we are going to waterfalls. Not now. Then when? And we three are dressed in the same color. That is amazing. We bought it from a store where you get the Bali clothes.
But Pihu and me same page. Yo, Pihu, yo. Yo. Same page. Same page. Mama, twin. You must is the awesomest. Amazing. Yeah, absolutely awesomest place ever. So close to nature.
This place feels amazing, guys. If you can see, these are step farming. farming done to plant rice. These are the rice fields, these are the rice plants, if you can see. So these are valleys and step farming done towards the end and towards the top, making it a rice plantation. And this whole view is amazing, guys, if you can see. Here we go. This is Bali Safari. So guys, we had two plans, day safari and night safari, and we opted for day safari because we didn't have time to go to the night one, and we had to rush for our another place, so we just went inside and enjoyed our day safari.
So with lions, their mane will get darker.
There we go, my lucky girl. She just went up there and she got a garland of flowers.
Next time. And Noah. Okay, they are the smallest buffalo in the world. Mini buffalo. So before they can join together to mate, female and male.
So we watched this show called Animal Iron, and afterwards we are gonna watch this animal show, which is education of it's about education of animals. So we'll be heading back to lunch with
On to the stage. To our present formats, please always love and care about the animals everywhere. Because if you don't, they will disappear. And the listening will become extra. Nowadays we have elephant show at Kampung Gajah at 4:30 p.m. And before you go, please give
amazing places in Bali Safari. You must visit it, because if you are an animal lover, and even if you are not an animal lover, you will start loving animals. So it was an amazing experience. You see this amazing animal. We are heading towards the shops that we have in Bali. Almost everything is done. We've seen everything: Tanhala Temple, the Kintamani volcano, and the safari, and almost all the temples and all the beaches we have covered. The dreamland also.
So Kuta beach in Bali is one of the most amazing beaches. I did shoot one more video of another beach, I don't remember, Dreamland beach, yeah, but I couldn't find that much interesting as Kuta.
How did you make that?
Make it big.
You made it big. Wow, that is very pretty, Pihu.
And you want more.
You won also. Okay, this is very nice.
This is what happens when you are so tired of eating the food outside and you want something homemade and home ready. And here we go, we finally are done with our trip and we are going back to Delhi, and from Delhi we are going back to Lucknow.